What are the numbers of cars per manufacturer? Okay, we are using the cars table. We pick the first column, then we counted the column. If we leave it here, we can't have anything done. It's error. If you check here, this is error. That's why we have to group by the manufacturer ID. And as you can see, this manufacturer ID, this is what we are counting. Why are we using the manufacturer ID? Let me explain to you. To explain that, let me pick everything from cars. If you look at this car, if you count by car, this cannot go because they say what? We should get numbers of cars per manufacturers. So we have to count, like for instance, this one appear once, this one appear twice with the same ID. This manufacturer ID, this manufacturer ID. Okay, this is what? BMW 1, 2. Okay, this one is under 1, 2, 3. Then you have to use group by to assist you to finish what you are counting, because group by we group according to the manufacturer ID. But this is not so clean because the expectation should be that we have the name of the manufacturer, then the numbers of cars. And if we want to do that, then we have to combine the two tables together using either join or where. Let's do that. Before we do that, let me open to connection. Select. Then I also select. And as you can see, we're going to pick the name from here, manufacturer's name. We are also going to pick what? The ID. So because the ID appear in both tables, we have to specify where we are picking the ID from. So the first thing we need to do now, we want to get the name this time, not the ID, but where is this name coming from? We know that this name, if it appear in only one table, the name is not here, name is here. So there's no need to put any dot, like we say manufacturer dot this, no, because it appears in only one table. But for this ID now appears what? In two tables. The ID is here, the ID is also here. So the one we are counting, where are we picking it from? This ID. If we pick from here, it's just what? No duplicate here. We can't count with this. This is just like normal ID, your ID number 1, ID number 2. But to really count, we have to count from where? From the cars, where it appear. Like here now, it appear 3 times. This one appear twice. This is where we count them. Because we are counting from the cars table, we have to tell the system that this one we are counting is from cars. That's why this one is important. But if it was only one manufacturer ID that is in the system, there is no need for this. We are going to pick this one from where? From the manufacturer's table. Why this one is coming from what? From the cars table. So we therefore say from cars, also what? Manufacturer. We say where what? Where cars. Then we change this one to manufacturers. We group by the name. If you do this, you should expect solution. But you say, okay, this is old method. I want to use inner join. Just come to this place. Say inner join. Okay, then you say on this. You are true. You still have the same information. Hope this was also your solution. Let's now move straight to the next challenge.